Welcome to California. Hi everyone, welcome back to Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today I'm going to show you fish fry, and I have about 10 slices of fish nicely washed and sliced, and I have the spices I'm going to use. Okay, these are the spices I'll be using for the fish fry: chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, the pink salt, Himalayan salt, and split bean powder. This is optional. If you don't have it, you can use some cornstarch or a little bit of rice powder or nothing at all. You can just use these spices and you can skip this. And then today I'm going to try adding curry leaf powder. This is fresh curry leaf, sun-dried and powdered. And some curry leaves for garnishment. So let's marinate the fish. Salt, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and some turmeric powder. So this is turmeric powder, and then coriander powder. And coriander powder, I put about a little more than 2 teaspoons. And chili powder, about 2 teaspoons, or according to your taste. This is small, so add a little bit more. Let's mix this nicely. 1 tablespoon of curry leaf powder. The split bean powder. Okay. The split bean powder is added just to give some crispiness when you fry the fish. It doesn't actually add any flavor to it. So if you don't want to add, you can just skip it. The marination's all mixed now, and you can taste the salt, the marination, before applying it. I'm going to add a tiny little bit more salt. You can also soak the fish pieces in tamarind juice for some time, and then you can strain it and then do the marination. And especially if the fish smells too much, the tamarind juice will take the smell away. Okay, so I'm going to leave it for about half an hour. Okay, it's about 15 minutes, and you can see the fish is becoming a little bit soggy and wet. So at this point I'm going to add some more marination. Before frying the fish, fry the curry leaves and the green chilies first. Just less than a minute. I do not use metal spoons while cooking with non-stick pans. I'm using this just to strain the oil from the curry leaves. We're going to use this at the end for garnishment. Use the same oil to fry the fish. I'll put the big pieces first. In the gap, I'm going to put 1 small piece. Cook it at low-medium heat, about 5 minutes on each side. If you cook in high heat, the outside will be burnt, inside it will not be cooked properly. I made some fish gravy with the head and the tail part of the fish. Let's try slightly turn it. turn this piece. With a spoon, slightly touch the fish and see if you feel squishy. If it's still kind of squishy, fry it a little longer. If it's fully cooked, the flesh inside will turn white. I feel little softness at some places, so I'm going to cook it a little longer. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, and by then the fish should be cooked, but check before you take it out. Spicy fried fish. Here is the fish fry. Quick and easy recipe. If you want, you can add some ginger garlic paste also when you do the marination. Also some tamarind juice. You can fry the fish in so many different ways, but this is the quick and easy basic recipe. Last year sometime I posted a fish curry recipe. I had used parrot fish for that curry. I really apologize for that, because at that time I did not know what an important role the parrotfish play in protecting the coral reefs around the islands. Now we don't eat parrotfish and we don't buy parrotfish, and I just hope everyone does the same, so that the coral reefs will survive and protect the islands around the world. I hope you enjoy the show. I will be back soon with another easy and interesting delicious recipe. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button. Don't forget to click the bell button. And subscription is 100% free. There's no money involved at all. So please subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And I will be back soon. Until then, take care and thank you for watching. Friends, please wear your face masks. It will protect you, your family, and others.